it's Kenneth again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to bake a cake, but we're not gonna use oven, okay? We're just gonna steam it. So let's go and start baking. So first, we're gonna need 3 eggs. Just whisk. One teaspoon of vanilla. I melted already the butter. It's a 1/4 cup. You can use salted or unsalted, okay? 1 can of condensed milk. So let's set aside and we go for our dry ingredients. So this is 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and then 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and then half a teaspoon of salt. We're just gonna combine them, and then we need to sift it, okay?
Before, but never with you. Your mind is not where your heart is. But let me tell you, you're gonna be alright. It's not a wish, it's a promise. It's a different kind of lonely. It's a different kind of sad. 'Cause we got no more if only, and we stopped feeling bad. It's a different kind of sadness. It's a different kind of fear. I'm stuck in this weightless, and the end is getting near. I'm alone.
And then
It's like they're all watching. We're on our way to the
transfer
ground.
it here.
And I don't love you the same way.
This one is requested by my brother without using oven, because I know back home not all of them has oven, right? So yeah. So guys, ganyan po ang mangyayari pag nag-bake ako. Yan. Okay. So guys, ayan na po yung no oven baking a cake. So we're just gonna bake that one for 30 to 40 minutes, okay? I'm gonna get back on you when it's ready. So guys, that's all for today. Our no oven baked cake is ready, and it's really good. This one is easy to make, really good. You must try this. It's not expensive, and it's soft and fluffy. God bless you. Stay safe, and I love you guys. Mwah.